All right, so this is kind of interesting. So these were bits that were in this thing, so they didn't get rusted, right? They were in that rubber, and I don't know. I got a bunch of bits from my neighbor. He was throwing them away. These are made in Taiwan. I think some of them will say right there, made in Taiwan. So it's actually got something on it. They're just rusted on the ends. These were in such good condition that I didn't even consider about using rust remover on them. These, where's this one? This might have been one. One of these was a Phi China, PHI China, whatever. These things were so rusted that they were unusable. Just to give you an example of how rusted they were. Look at the pitting on that. Like that. I mean, it's not only taken off that, I think that's like a zinc finish, but this one's a made in USA, which is kind of cool. It's got a magnet possibly on the end. But I'm kind of impressed. It says 30 minutes soak in it. I left it in overnight. And I bet you it's got phosphoric acid because you can literally smell it occasionally I haven't looked, but I bet it says it. You can kind of smell it. It smells like navel jelly. Let's see. Is it phosphoric acid anywhere? That's in Spanish. It doesn't. Yeah, right there. Warning, contains phosphoric acid. Yeah, so don't get it on your skin. But you could smell it, like literally, which is not a good thing to be smelling it because that means you're getting it in your lungs. But you could, when the wind blows, sometimes you get a whiff. The other thing that's interesting about this is there's like these little square drives. There's a lot of square drives in there, but that is like tiny. I thought at first it was just rounded. That one's got a magnet, yada, yada, yada. That's got a magnet, could be like a slightly, use it as a drive. And then this one is actually pretty cool. It's the same size all the way across. I don't know what you would do with that. Anyway, my neighbor was gonna throw them away. The other thing of interest, since that's working so good, I'm just gonna get that rust off right there. The other thing that's interesting is this was supposed to be a steel brush, and I did another video earlier where I put this magnet is like super strong. You can look at it. See how strong it is. See it moving that thing from over there. Whoops. Anyway, it won't pick up these things, so that steel brush is not steel. It's some kind of alloy. It won't even pick them up. I was going to use that to get it off of me and yada, yada, yada. But anyway, it's good stuff. I'm going to wash my hands. Just for interest, just killing time, really. Just reusing them. Some of them I'll actually use the ones like this. I have screws that will take those. And everybody has screws that are small. You can see here also. Let's get this on the zoom. Look how corroded that is. You see it's actually eating away right there. See the edge? See if I hold it. So I mean that it's not that critical for using it, but because it was thin, it basically just dissolved away. And once again, if you look at that guy there, you can see they were like really bad. Anyway, throw these in there. I probably won't even scrub these. There won't be any need for it. See, now I splash it. There we go. Cool.